Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths. It's a tool used by farmers to protect crops, and it just got a big boost thanks to a court ruling. The 8th Circuit Court of Appeals overturning an EPA rule that effectively prohibited the use of chlorpyrifos. Ag Day's Michelle Rook has been looking into this, and Michelle, this ruling basically allows ag to use the product and for it to be reinstated.
That's right. Although we don't know when chlorpyrifos will be reinstated, this is a huge win for farmers who have been battling EPA for more than 2 years after they banned the insecticide for use. And I should also point out this sets a huge precedent for the future. The court ruling says EPA didn't follow the science from their own scientific advisory committee, which found there were a number of safe uses for chlorpyrifos, including crops like cherries, sugar beets, wheat, and soybeans. The ruling goes on to say that EPA didn't consider all of their options.
They could have found and continued the registration for chlorpyrifos, but instead they thought that they were running out of time, and they just canceled all of the uses for chlorpyrifos, including the ones that their own scientists said were safe uses. And the court said that that action was arbitrary and capricious, so it vacated the actions that the EPA had done of withdrawing those tolerances and sent it back to the EPA.
Chlorpyrifos is an important insecticide, according to Senske. In the case of soybeans, it's used to control sucking insects like soybean aphids, and it's one of the few options farmers have available. While the insecticide will be reinstated, it's unclear yet if farmers will be able to use it in the 2024 season.
There are still some more steps that have to take place. The EPA, of course, does have the option to appeal it, so we'll see what they do. We're hoping that they don't. There are still some further steps that need to happen. So it's undetermined right now whether it will be available for 2024. We hope that it is. That's our goal, is for that it would be available.
In the meantime, Senske says the ruling from the 8th Circuit sets a favorable precedent for their battle against EPA on a number of other registrations and re-registrations of important crop protection tools for agriculture. I'm Michelle Rook reporting for Ag Day.